What's up, you guys? Damn, I'm like, what? I can't think right now. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah. Do I say that? Do I say welcome back? Do I say welcome back to my channel? What's up, you guys? Let me check real fast. Hold on. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. I do say welcome back to my channel. So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into the thing that everyone has been calling me since fucking high school. A Bratz doll. I've been getting so many requests to do a Bratz doll, to do the Bratz doll challenge, and I'm just like, because I'm just like, I don't know, because everybody used to call me a Bratz doll, and I was just like, that's so weird to me. But yeah, we're just gonna do that. The Bratz doll that I picked is Sasha, so maybe, yeah, I don't have any crazy pictures. The two pictures that I got, you know, because you know Sasha's the little chocolate one and I'm a little chocolate, so we're gonna do that. I'm so hyped because yesterday I bought my Sephora collection 47 foundation brush. This is a must-have brush. It will make you look so flawless. It'll make any foundation full coverage, trust. And right here I'm using the Hourglass new Vanish foundation. I don't know what shade it was. I just took a sample to try, and obviously I picked the wrong shade. Oh no, this is orange. What color am I? What the fuck? This shit is matte orange. I'm so mad right now. I picked the wrong fucking shade. Good thing it was just a sample, right? Alright, so I'm gonna have to make this work somehow. Oh my god, this shit is orange. Who is this shade? Who is this orange? This is a beautiful ass foundation, but this is not my fucking shade. I'm so mad right now. I need to put another fucking foundation on top because this is ridiculous. So I'm gonna just use my Lancome foundation. I'm just mixing my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45 and my Too Faced Concealer in Warm Sand.
Take it easy.
To contour, I'm using that same Too Faced multi-use concealer in Cocoa. Now I'm gonna do my little concoction with my powders. I'm using my Warm Saffron Derma Blend. Freaking love this powder. I'm gonna get it in a lighter shade. And then to brighten, I'm using my Fenty Pro Filter powder in Banana on top to brighten and to bake. I don't know what brush this is. This was actually a gift from my sister-in-law. I'm just brushing off, you know, that excess powder that we used to bake. I'm so sorry that I didn't show this. I usually do, but to bronze and contour and all that, I'm using my Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder in the darkest shade mixed with my Anastasia bronzing powder in mahogany, and then those shades that I use in the James Charles palette, I use that to add a little bit more color. To highlight, I'm using this infamous crown brush that doesn't have a name, but I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm using the two colors on the left. To highlight and contour my nosy, I use my Morphe M321 brush. I lost a little paper, you know, with the names of the eyeshadow, but I'm going into that brown. I know that one is like no beans because that's like one of my favorite colors. And I'm using that with a Morphe M433 brush. I'm blending those hard edges out with a Morphe R39 brush with that lighter, warmer brown shade next to the dark brown. To deepen up the crease, I'm going in with my Morphe M506 brush with that black eyeshadow shade in the palette. Go back with that Morphe M433 brush and go in with Cool Beans and that warmer brown just to soften up that black eyeshadow. Now for the lid, I used Savannah in my Natasha Denona Safari palette. I also mixed it a little bit with the two green eyeshadow colors in the James Charles palette. And then on top, I put Stone. It's like a light gray color in the Safari palette. And the brush that I used is the Morphe M167. I finished off the other eye. Now I'm making a big wing with my Sephora Collection Precision Liquid Liner. And then after this, I'm just going to add some white liner in my waterline, some false lashes. I'm going to show you all of that at the end. Some mascara. I smoked out the bottom just to complete the look. And then I'm going to show you the lip. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. I just did some lashes, some white eyeliner in the waterline, smoked out the bottom like I always do. So for lips, I use my Bite Beauty lip liner in 042, also mixed with the MAC Night Moth lip liner. I use my Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Androgyny. And I use my ColourPop liquid lipstick in Midi. The lashes that I'm using are the iconic lashes in KPE 104. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a beautiful comment down below, and give me a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys soon.